In this video, we are going to see a very important technique, especially if you are spending time every day by opening up Google Chrome and opening up one by one all the important websites where you left off yesterday. And these websites are regularly in use by you. So instead of spending time to restore all the Chrome tabs or to open it one by one, what we can do is do it automatically on Google Chrome by the simple settings that I'm going to show you right now. So on Google Chrome, just click on these three dots on the top right. And once we click at that, just go to the settings, and here, let's just open it. Okay, on the left side, we have this open startup. So on startup, what do you want to do? Normally it is set to open the new tab page. That's where we open new websites. But if we want to continue where we left earlier, we can just continue with this. So let's close this. And in fact, let me just show you the sample here because I have lots of tabs open here. Let's go to continue where you left. Close out of here. Let's close the browser altogether. So let's say we have restarted our PC. We can just click on Google Chrome, click on the profile, and look at this, guys. How easily you can save a lot of time by just selecting this particular option. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.